Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Food Friday. You will not be seeing me today in this video. However, we are going to make a simple grilled cheese sandwich. Now, I'm going to be using Colby Jack cheese today. It's my choice. And I have my butter here. And I'm going to use Sara Lee's brioche bread. It's very, very good. So I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon in here in the pan and let that melt. Start melting. Now, while that's getting hot, good and hot, I may need to add a little bit more butter. I'm going to put down 1 piece of bread. And I had turned my skillet down, so I'm going to turn it back up a little bit. We're going to let that bread get nice and brown. And while that's doing that, I'm going to add 2 slices of Colby Jack cheese. I want it to be nice and cheesy. So I'm going to put on 2 slices. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my other slice of bread on top. And I'm going to get my spatula. And we're going to check the brownness of the bread. And I am using my Aisha Curry pan today. Oh, that's looking wonderful. I'm going to flip this already, and I'm going to let you see how golden brown and pretty that is. I think I'm going to put a little bit more butter in here, and I did turn the stove up somewhat because I want to make sure there's enough butter in there to brown that bottom layer. Raise it up a little bit, swish it around. That's looking delish, delish, delish. These pans are wonderful. I'm going to let that heat up just a little bit. And I'm going to be having chicken noodle soup with my grilled cheese sandwich. And it doesn't take long for it to start melting. Let's check the bottom of this. Okay, maybe a couple more, maybe another minute, and that'll be nice and golden brown. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. There are so many things going on in the world right now, and so a lot of us are cooking at home and discovering new recipes. This isn't a new recipe, but a very simple one that I thought I would share with you guys. So let's check the brownness of our grilled cheese sandwich on the bottom. I'm going to flip it over. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, it did need a little bit more butter, but it's looking pretty good. All right, and that cheese is melting in there. Delish, 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 delish. I'm going to take it out now because I don't want the bread to get too brown. And there is our wonderful grilled cheese sandwich. All right, you guys have a great Friday, and I'll see you next week. All righty, bye-bye.